Okay, time's ticking on, and this is just a quick update for me and for you guys out there as to how I'm getting on. I've had to put the Frontera back on axle stand so I can get underneath. The engine won't come out because of the sump hitting the front axle, and there's also a cross member under there that I'll show you in a minute. My last attempts at pulling the engine out, I've probably said this before, it tilted it over. One side went down underneath the driver's side engine mounting turret. The other side over here is right up against the chassis rail, which is no good. So I managed to free it up yesterday, chuck it up with a block of wood, and I figured out what I'm going to do. This engine's got to come out. It's the old one. It's getting swapped. So if I hack it out, it doesn't matter. And this is how I'm going to do it. Let's go underneath and I'll show you. This is on my mobile phone, so sorry if it's a bit unsteady. And my finger's in the way. Up under here is a cross member. There you are. It's held in with 4 bolts. I know. Let's get some light on the subject and steady my hands. 2 bolts either side. At the front, the bolt heads are 14mm, or M10s, I believe. They don't have captive nuts on the rear. That would be too easy. The bolts on the nuts on the ends of these bolts, both sides, have 15mm nuts. I've managed to free these. They're soaking, the nuts are soaking on the bolts at the back at the moment, which is why I'm filming this now. It'll give me a while for the fluid to do its job. This is coming out. You can see the oil sump here, which is hitting that front differential. Once this rail comes out, this brace, I can get to all of the bolts that hold the sump in, and that's the plan. Remove the sump, the oil pickup comes right down to the bottom of this sump, which doesn't get me any further forward for all the effort, but the sump is on gas pipe size pipe, I guess. It's like a trumpet. It won't unbolt, so I'm just going to cut the thing off, which should enable me to just lift the engine straight out. It doesn't matter, it's a hack job, but once I've got the engine out, that lets the dog see, the rabbit, how the hell this enormous differential is held in. Can I unbolt it from the chassis rail? Do I have to take the drive shafts out either side? I have absolutely no idea. If you've done this before, really, right now, at this moment in time in the project, your comments would be gratefully received. Even if you like it, give me the thumbs up. Or put a link in the comments to a site where you've found out about somebody who has done this. I can get the engine out, I can hack the engine out. It's got to be rebuilt, so it's going to be a while before the next one goes back in, but I have to get the next one back in. I will get there, I will do this. Problems, encounters, troubles, arthritis, or none of that, I am going to do this, but any help is gratefully received. Please like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up, anything you can to help me on my way. And I hope I'm teaching you something new as well. I'll see you in the next video.